If you want low-maintenance, modern-style internal doors that will wow your guests, look no further than Doors Plus interior aluminium doors. These doors are available in designer colours, including black, grey, white and wood grain. Depending on your space, they can be installed as hinged, folding, stacking or sliding doors. Large, clear or translucent glass panels in our aluminium doors allow light into your living spaces and help to maintain privacy when needed. These panels are also double glazed for better sound and thermal insulation. Our custom-made bifold and stacking doors are excellent for leading into lounge rooms where the opening might be extra wide or oddly sized. Folding doors can be closed for more peace and quiet or folded back to give you full room access. Stacking doors can also be stacked away, providing you with a wider opening than traditional sliding doors. For tighter spaces, sliding doors in our Zone Living collection partition a room to create a separate space when needed, perhaps for that second bedroom, home office or something else. For the ultimate flexibility in open plan living, browse our range of contemporary and versatile internal aluminium doors. Visit your nearest Doors Plus showroom today to see the internal aluminium door range and book your free measure and quote.